Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. My name is Nandini. I am from Uttar Pradesh district Hardoi. So today in this video, I am going to tell you just if you want to quit, so don't think, and if you think this language is not made for you, so I am going through this conditions. I think this language is not made for me, and I can't learn it, and this is very it quite difficult for me because I come from village background and village area. Just there's no one, so I'm learning this language from social media, from YouTube. So I think sometime I feel nervous. I can't learn this language, and I'm making video. I want to share my journey with you. I'm going through this condition. Sometimes I feel distracted and I feel exhausted. I can't learn this language. It's very difficult. There are many words I forget. I want to explain something in English, but it's very hard, and it's reality for villager, and they want to do something in their life, and they feel we are not getting that type environment, and we can't learn this language. So it's happened with everyone. So that's why I want to share it with you. If something is like this is going on with you, so don't think and don't quit your journey. And you think after some time you will see, I have learned something, I have improved something, so I should continue my journey, and I am getting something. So this thing will come to your mind, and you think I have learned many meanings, many structure, many sentence. So it's not our just I can't say we will learn this language within 6 months or 1 year, but we will be able to learn this language after year and a year. And my journey is going on, and I feel also like this. That's why I wanted to share it with you. And you guys think I can't learn this. So this is a language, it will come after some time, and we will be able to speak. And so in my district there must be people, they will be speaking. I didn't see anybody speaking it. So my father told me that I should learn this language and I should improve myself. So that's why I'm doing it. And when I think I should speak, I feel demotivate. I don't I found I'm not able to speak it, and I'm unable to pronounce word. And when I try to speak some sentence, so I found I'm unable to speak, and it is happening with me also. So many time I feel demotivate, I forget sentence, I forget meaning. I found myself it is, I think it is not cup of tea for me. And I'm making video of it, but so that's why uh, I will be able to speak one day, I think. And we will get our destination, and we will get our dream also. So don't think and don't feel nervous, and learn and keep learning, keep growing, keep smiling, and don't feel demotivated. It's happened with everyone. We are villager, what we can do. And that's all about I want to share it with you. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.